Oh, hey everybody. So we're up here at the house for the old reel. It's been a bit, and weather's been nice and cold. Actually, I've had the last week of rain. Oof. It's a little wet in here. I got some drips. Looks like I'm going to have to take care of. I see one right there. Right up there. But yeah, so it's been somewhat gloomy last week now. Lots of rain, then had 3 days of snow. Then another 3 days of rain again. But I figured, been nice and cool, so come and do a cold start. That started easy. Nice and easy. Right on. I don't remember if I showed that. Well, I think I did show you guys the inside, but a little better view for you guys, sort of. Yeah, dome lights work even. How cool is that? Yeah, she's going to be a nice little project. Going to make a hell of a motorhome, I think. But yeah, so that's the 54-wheel civil defense truck, cold start. Today is March the 10th, I believe. Yeah, March 10th is today. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.